Physics 021, Law of Conservation of Mechanical Energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it is transformed from one form into another. There are two kinds of mechanical energy: gravitational potential energy, and kinetic energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy of position, while kinetic energy is the energy of motion. The sum of the gravitational potential energy, PE, and kinetic energy, KE, is called the total mechanical energy E. Regardless of friction and air resistance, the total mechanical energy of a body remains constant as the body moves, provided that the net work done by external non-conservative forces is zero. WNC equals 0 joules. A very good example of this is a roller coaster ride. Suppose the net work done by external non-conservative forces is zero, so WNC equals 0 joules. Then with a delta notation, the work energy theorem takes the form WNC equals delta KE plus delta PE equals KEF minus KEO plus PEF minus PEO equals KEF plus PEF minus KEO plus PEO. WNC equals EF minus EO. EF equals EO. 1/2 mvf squared plus mghf equals 1/2 mvo squared plus mgho. Equation 6 indicates that the final mechanical energy is equal to the initial mechanical energy. This is the principle of conservation of mechanical energy. For instance, a motorcyclist is going to leap from a rocky road at a higher altitude to its lower altitude, with an initial horizontal speed of 40 meters per second. Neglecting air resistance, calculate the speed with which the motorcycle hits the ground on the other side. Solution. The principle of conservation of mechanical energy is written as 1/2 mvf squared plus mghf equals 1/2 mvo squared plus mgho. The mass m of a rider and a motorcycle can be eliminated from both sides of the equation. Solving for Vf gives the square root of Vo squared plus 2g multiplied by Ho minus Hf. The square root of 40 meters per second squared, plus 2 times 9.8 meters per second squared, times 60 meters minus 20 meters. Vf equals 48.83 meters per second.